Welcome back, y'all. Okay, I'm right here on the highway because we're gonna go get a new dirt bike. Woo! Okay, so once I get there, I'll do some wheeling and dealing, and then yeah, so I'm gonna be there soon. Come on, let's go. Alrighty guys, we got the bike. I won't show it to you guys, but it's just orange. You can see that, so it's KTM, but I'm just gonna head home. I'm gonna head home, guys, and I'll show you guys it then. So, see you at the house, boys. Woo!
We were traveling mountains just to find out how to seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hire, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, beside me laying under palm trees.
Don't mind the helmet here, and this is the bike, guys. We got home. I had to take it for a test drive, you know, all that. So let's take a look at it real quick. Whoop. Okay, so it is a 2017 KTM. I don't know if you could guess by the orange color, you know it. And it is the SX, so it doesn't have the electric start, but I figured I wouldn't go the $2 grand extra to get that, so I'll just kick it for the rest of my life. So, yeah, nothing besides that. But let's take a look at it, what we have done, or what the guy had done to it, and just all the knickknacks to it. So let me think here. The rear shock was completely rebuilt, even the outside of it was brand new tires, all that. The engine was completely rebuilt, inside and the top, well, the bottom and the top, because something here broke right there. Whoop. Inside of there broke inside the case, so we had to get a whole new case for it apparently, and a whole new top, because you can tell inside there the green looks like fresh seals in there. So everything is pretty much brand new engine wise, like a lot of it anyways. The shock is brand new, and I think he kept good care of the other stuff. He was an airplane mechanic, so I'm trusting he did it right. And yeah, otherwise it's a pretty bike, and the helmet to the back, you know, gotta be safety first. It is a pretty bike. I love the thing so far. I've tried. It's pretty zippy. You could do a track bike as well as a trail, because it has enough growl, or should you say grunt up the hill. So I tried it on a few different things: sand, gravel, dirt, up hills, down hills, messy hair, all that. And let's see now, we got the hydraulic, which I love. I had on the last 300 I had, which I sold. Check that video if you want to see the poor thing sold, you know. I always tear up on that thing. But yeah, we got our little brother fixing his dirt bike over there. The brakes were, well, you could say they were seizing up on him. So yeah, he's a young nerd, no, mechanic in training. So we got him going over there, and yeah, I love this thing to death so far. And for the price, I should love it to death for that price, what I paid for it. Well, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, so it's a 17, has about 300 hours on it, which I would be scared if he didn't replace everything in the engine and he kept everything in tip-top shape, greased oil, changed oil, all that. And yeah, everything looks spick and span on this thing, boy. So yeah. Hey, I'm wearing my gear this time, so no broken collarbones. So what you doing over there? You're looking creepy over there, bro.
I found some bear tracks.
Bear tracks, oh dear. This is bear tour series. So, yeah, we've been attacked by bears, cougars. Messy here. Yeah. But I'm gonna pull a demolition ranch on you and whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. It is so cool. It is actually, but yeah. Yeah, don't mind us. Yeah, well, now we're just rambling, but sheesh, I think it's regular stock-wise, everything else. Otherwise, just upgraded parts of the motor. So, yeah, be ready. We're going to be railing this thing on a Max 7 course here in Oregon. So yeah, gotta slap some numbers on this thing. We're gonna try and win that. We're gonna try and get some good high places. We're gonna probably move up to amateur this year, maybe. We'll get it done. So, comment down below anything I missed on this thing. There's gonna be a lot of things. Some things you're gonna have to assume for yourself. But yeah, it is a pretty little beast. I think I'm gonna call it Renee. You know, kind of a cool name. It reminds me of lots of things, and I love the name. So yeah, Renee the dirt bike. Oh yeah, sexy. Oh yeah, cool beans. So yeah, we had fun going to get it. We had fun coming back. A lot of people pulled over on the highway, but besides that, yeah, we had fun doing this. So thanks for joining me on getting this dirt bike. You'll be seeing it in the future, you know. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Check out that playlist and subscribe. Woo-hoo!